Hey friends, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 easy breakfasts that are also healthy, because eating cake for breakfast is probably not the most healthy thing, but these taste good and they're healthy, so you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So how about instead of me talking about breakfast foods, how about I just show you guys how to make these foods, okay? Let's get on with the video. So the first breakfast is the almond butter, banana, and honey toast. And this one is definitely my favorite, and it's pretty easy. And all you need is bread, almond butter, a banana, knife, cutting board, and honey. So just like you would with any toast, you have to put it in the oven and then toast it. And all you have to do is wait for it to toast. And meanwhile, you can cut up the slices to your banana. So once the toast is done toasting, you just have to spread the almond butter onto the toast. And once you're done with that, you use the honey and squirt it over the toast and place the bananas on top. And boom, then you are done with your toast, and it looks very aesthetically pleasing. And the second breakfast idea slash food slash whatever you want to call it is the bagel with cream cheese, but with some fruit on top, because that's better and fruit makes you not die. So anyways, the first thing you gotta do is get the ingredients, which are a bagel, some fruit, and some cream cheese. And then all you gotta do is put the bagel in the toaster oven, or if you're weird and don't like it toasted, then skip this step. And once the bagel is done cooking, all you have to do is cream cheese it. And once you've put the cream cheese on it, then you just gotta place your fruit on top of the bagel. And boom, you are done with your beautiful fruit bagel. So the third and final thing to make for breakfast is avocado toast. And I honestly prefer this type of avocado toast than like the restaurant avocado toast. I don't know why. They're both made with avocados, but this is how you make it. So the first thing that you're gonna need is bread and an avocado, and that's all you need. So pretty simple. So first thing you need to do is put the bread in the toaster. And while you're waiting for that to toast, why not cut up the avocado? And boom, then you're done, and you just have to set that to the side and wait for the toast to be finished toasting. And once the bread is toasted, all you gotta do is put the mashed filling or whatever of the avocado onto the toast. And boom, there you go. You have finished this lovely breakfast. So that was it for today's video. You know what? Hope you guys want to go make these things. If not, then you just wasted some of your time. But hopefully you do. And let me know in the comments what else you guys like to eat for breakfast, because I always like new ideas for food and for recipes. So just let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.